Ayan may pa-scramble si Kuya. JR's Special Scramble. Ayan, diba? Ayan, oh. My favorite scramble back in the old days.
Oo na.
Scramble. Scramble street food. Stick. Yun yung stick. Oh. Nice. Wala pa isang minuto, nagawa na agad ni Kuya. Nice. Yep. Cute. Oh, diba? Thank you, Kuya.